Imagine there was one action around sustainability that could save your company huge amounts of money, up to millions. Does this sound good? Well, actually there is. This is what a good ESG rating can do. Being an eco-friendly and socially responsible company is not only good for our world, it is also a smart financial move. With the right approach, an ESG rating can open doors to lower interest rates, attract more investors, and also cut operational costs. It's like finding a hidden treasure in your company's backyard. But don't get me wrong, this is not a simple paper exercise. Of course, you actually need to step up your sustainability efforts. Hi, I'm Anne. With over 20 years in sustainability, I'm here to share my expertise for free. Why? Because accelerating sustainable development is a mission we must tackle together. Today, I will share the surprisingly straightforward steps to help a company turning their ESG rating into a goldmine for their business. But first, let me quickly explain what ESG ratings are. ESG ratings are basically risk ratings related to a company's social, environmental and governance performance. They are calculated using data from company reports, public disclosures and sometimes third-party surveys. A bit tricky, different rating agencies use different methodologies, sometimes leading to very different results for the same company. Why do investors and banks care so much about ESG ratings? Well, it's reducing their own risks, of course. Risks of companies being sued for environmental behavior or for social issues and anything around sustainability issues that could occur. ESG ratings are like a company's report card on how well they do on the sustainability game. So how do you get a good rating? What exactly was I doing to get good ratings for companies? First, setting up a dedicated task force for this project is crucial for success. You need people from different departments or functions, like HR, like legal, like procurement, like environmental or health and safety. You need these people to answer your questions and to help you set up, for example, policies or any other documentation or even collect data. And of course, the upper management also needs to be involved into the process, but this is usually easy given the fact that there's so much money in it. From my experience, it helps to let the task force know about the money involved, because that helps everyone who's not intrinsically motivated about sustainability to see some different goal and to see how much money this could save for the company. Then, starting the project, it is all about good housekeeping. First, an internal ESG assessment will help to set everything and to see where are the gaps. In the past, I did this using a standard like GRI or SASB or any other industry standard, but now I even found an easier way, and that is to ask ChatGPT. Therefore, describe your business as good as you can, also the sector you're operating in, the customers, the usual problems, and it will give you really good guidance, especially if you consider that the rating agencies are not very outspoken about their methods. Generally, for all companies, one thing you should be focusing on is a solid data tracking system, and that includes environmental and social data especially. This data then needs to be usually published in an ESG or sustainability report. Also, targets, governance structures, actions and practices need to be reported there. From my experience, it also helps to publish at least a company code of conduct and a supplier code of conduct on your websites. Then audits and third-party certifications also can help a lot with your rating. Also, policies can be very relevant for the rating, especially if the rating agency accepts non-public data. If there is a possibility to get a feedback from the rating agency during the rating process, that is highly appreciated. Once I got very detailed directions in how to phrase something in a statement that we had to make, and this also gave some points in the end. Something that is weighing down any ratings considerably are any environmental or social incidents that happened and that are publicly disclosed by, for example, news agencies. So keeping your record clean must be a top priority. Also, any cases of ethical misconduct or missing diversity in the board or any corruption cases can weigh down the rating considerably. If the rating is very good, be aware that assessment criteria get stricter from year to year. So in order to achieve a better rating, you have to take even more effort for the next year. One really good exercise is to do the TCFD climate risk assessment before you do the rating. And in this video, I explain exactly how this could work for your company. You just might need to add some social indicators as well. If you like this video, please help me spread the word and share it with others who might be interested.